everybody. Welcome. So today I am going to be sharing with you a progress video on my craft storage space. This is the extra space that I have to use to store my extra supplies. So I'm going to just start off. This is where I would enter in. You come in to the right and la I finally got it organized, and I know you're probably looking at it going, oh man, that's a lot of stuff. Yes. But in that corner right there with the large stack of bins, that's all my Christmas decor. And I had it stored in the storage room that's behind me. It's like the furnace room. I had those bins in there, but I decided to pull them out because I thought I should keep everything that's crafty and decor all in one spot. Now, I know it looks like it's a lot of stuff, but one box has got wrapping in it, and then two boxes got my Christmas Village stuff in it, and the Christmas Village, I leave all my pieces in the original boxes, so it takes up a lot of room. So, I know, that blue bag is full of brown paper bags. I'm going to be dismantling them and creating them into a journal. But that's going to be a later project. Okay, so there's two totes there. One's got a big, this one's got neutral fabric in it. And then this one has got like drop cloth stuff in it. That is just for if I'm painting and need to protect the surface or whatnot. Bottom bin, blue bin, is outdoor Christmas. These are outdoor Christmas wreaths, and they are not looking so good anymore. So I don't know. I think I might get rid of them because they're looking pretty tattered and worn. They're like 15 years old. So this basket's just full of pine cones right now, but I'll probably end up burning those pine cones because I can get new ones. That bottom bin is full of Christmas clearance that I bought this past winter. I have room in all those big bins there, but I just didn't have the time to deal with that just now, so I thought I'll just throw it in there. Okay, so this is some of my craft stash. As you can see, there's the long clear totes and then the green lid clear totes. I have got a fabric problem, people. No more fabric for Donna. I need to stop. There's 3 bins. 3 of the clear bins are full of fabric. Sorry if it's wobbly. I bought a box of fabric off of a friend that can get her hands on some really good quality stuff, and then I inherited some and picked some up from thrift stores. There's like old bits of clothing in there. Anyways, I now know what I have, and I've got to start using what I have. That's what this is going to encourage me to do. Okay, so that top bin is everything to do with moss. That's this bin here. Nothing's labeled yet. I will get to that, but I wanted to just share you my progress. 2 bins have got artificial florals. This one's got a bunch of small frames in it. That one was already labeled. That is a box full of assorted foam pieces, my felt, and that bottom bin is all battery operated lights. Okay, so this is my large craft cabinet that my dad had built and gave to me. It was my mom's, but they downsized, so they didn't have room for this anymore. So I'll just give you a quick run through of that. I haven't dealt with the top shelf yet because I have got other canvases and frames that I need to gather and put with this. So I'm going to do that once I tackle that. This shelf is Christmas crafts, and this one is autumn and other seasonal, like there's summer and spring in here, but I have a few more pieces that I need to fit in here, and I'm going to see if I can put these bags of artificial florals in another bin. This shelf has got mostly like nature items. There's a piece of bark, and then there's some branches back there, and wood, lots of wood pieces, wood bits, wood beads, popsicle sticks, and then this box is full of candles. These things aren't going to be staying here. I just put them there for now so I wouldn't break them. And then this one has got all assorted containers. So there's this one lady that I've been following. Her channel name is Call Clutter Fairy. Oh, I'm going to link her channel down below. And if you're struggling, go check her out. She's got lots of great tips, and it's what she does. So one tip that I'm going to give you that she had shared is that she said, put all like items together in a pile. So that's what I did. And I had extra boxes, like extra cardboard boxes, and say my pieces of foam. Everything that was to do with foam, I throw it all into one box, and then when I was done gathering it all, I picked the proper storage container and put it all in there, and it's all together, and I could see what I have. I had no idea I had that many foam balls. And same with my felt. I had it stored away in several different spots, and again, I just gathered it all together, and now it's all in one spot, and I can see what I have. Anyway, so yeah, check Clutter Fairy out. Okay, and then lastly, on the bottom shelf here, this bin is full of rocks and sand and gravel. There's a few shells. There's a bin of shells there. Containers with some rocks that we found beach combing and whatnot. And there's just a few extra items that I couldn't fit somewhere else, so that's where they went. So that's my big bin. I mean, sorry, my big cabinet. And then last bit that I wanted to share here is, I excused a little bit of cluttered mess on the top. I have to put this all away in my Christmas stuff, and well, you saw where all my Christmas stuff is. So this is my wrapping station. Tissue and gift bags are in this bin. Rolls of wrapping paper are there. That's my Christmas wrap. And then inside here is ribbon and bows, Easter eggs, because I didn't know where else to put them. And then this bag has got like birthday stuff in it. I'll swing you around. Sorry if I'm making you nauseous. So this is the other side of the space. This is a big empty box that's going to be going into recycling, but I've just kept it in case I needed to throw something in there. That's my husband's fly tying supplies. We're going to be making a spot for him down here in the basement once we got it all done. Paintings, like house painting supplies, a few other things. I have a few wreaths hanging over here still and stored away. But like compared to what it was before, this is awesome. So I'm really pleased with what I've done in here. I have some room to grow a little bit. We're planning on drywalling in here and then building shelves. But that's gonna be down the road yet. But for now, I'm happy with my progress. So now I'm going to move on to showing you a storage organizational DIY.